Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the Windows Update error 802.44019, either read this article on the Windows Club or watch this video. I'll guide you through the solutions. Though anyway you'll have to open the article on the Windows Club because you'll need a few commands. So the approach should be as follows. First of all, click on the Start button, select Settings, scroll down to Update and Security, go to the Troubleshoot tab, scroll down to Additional Troubleshooters, and then click on Windows Update and run the troubleshooter. This could be very helpful, but if it does not help, then you may have to restart a few Windows Update related services, and to do so you'll have to search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator. This opens the elevated command prompt window. Then copy these instructions in solution 1 sequentially. First copy net stop the Windows Update service. I'll copy it here and hit enter. The Windows Update service would stop, and then this one for the background intelligence transfer service. I copy it, hit enter, they will stop, and then I will restart both of these. I'll copy this one, it was restarting the Windows Update service, and I'll copy this one, it restarts the background intelligence transfer service, and this should be very helpful. But even if this does not help, then you can turn on the data execution prevention, which is a little complicated process, but we have explained it in an easy manner on the Windows Club. So all you need to do is copy paste this command to disable it and this command to enable it. Now since we need to enable the service, we will copy the second command in the elevated command prompt, and it says the operation completed successfully. And if neither of the above mentioned solutions helped you, then go to Start, select Settings, scroll down to Updates and Security. In the Windows Update tab, scroll down to Additional Options or Advanced Options and uncheck the button associated with Receive Updates for other Microsoft products when you update Windows. Lastly, if everything fails, like you tried everything to update your system automatically and it failed, and you really need the security updates to make sure that your system is secure, search for Download Windows Updates on Google and open the Microsoft Download Center. You will find the manual download patches for the latest security updates. You can download them and upload them. You'll have to search a little for Windows 10 and so on. And if you still face any doubts, go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section, write your queries. We will surely respond to them. Do not forget to subscribe to the Windows Club's channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.